Okay, so for today's video, mag-unbox tayo. So dahil nga po pakasweldo lang, so nag-grocery kami ng family namin ngayon. So tingnan po natin yung mga napamili natin. Ano? Ayan. So nakaka-excite lang kasi every cut-off na lang namin siya nagagawa. So sa amin, malaking bagay na po. So we have pancit canton, cream o, another pancit canton, bihon, cheesecake, cream o, and then we also have creamy cheese, Del Monte, another one like this, assorted region cake, Oreo, and of course, maling. Ito yung mga pecha for the Pecha Peligro days, ano? Yan. Oops. So, sa isang box, we have ramen, chicken, paborito kasi ng mga bata. And sinaitan yung bunso ko. Favorite niya to. And we also have spicy Korean cup noodles, tomato paste. We also have beef ramen, vermicelli. We also have this Korean ramgyun. I'm not sure what it's called, but yeah. And then we also have RC. Hindi kami parati nito, no? Yung iba kasi nito binibenta rin namin sa tindahan namin. So we're stocking up para pagbenta, no? So kaya marami kami nito. And kape. Hindi ako kasi mahilig sa, or I'm trying to lessen yung kape na maraming asukal. So ito lang ang tinitimpla ko sa umaga. We also have cup noodles again, beef. Argentina corned beef. Beef noodles again. Bihon. Again, milk. We also have pancit canton. Another set of chicken noodles. Another set of Nissan ramen beef. And this one, Argentina. This one again. And Korean style flavor. So, yan lang po. Marami po